What's up, guys? So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how your stock radio works. Just kind of give you some little tips and tricks on the stereo system. So first thing is setting your favorite station. So what you want to do is let's find, we'll go to FM here. We'll find what radio station we want. Let's say it's this one. All you have to do is hit the set button here. Set, it'll say set 1, and then push whatever button you want. So if I wanted to set it as number 3, hit 3. So now it actually has 10 customizable settings here. So there's 1 through 5, but if you hit set twice, it'll go to set 2, then you can hit it. So basically, like you can see on here, I've got 102.1, and then I have 89.9, which is for my my little FM tuner here, so I can listen to my phone. So that's that. This is how I have my bass and treble all set up. I got my bass maxed, the mid is kind of down, and then the treble up. That's just kind of how I have mine set up. Everything's stock except for my subwoofer. Over on this side here, always keep this in the middle. This is like, it controls where the audio is coming from, so you can put it more towards the front, towards the rear, but it's best in the middle there. And then obviously you have your FM, AM, so hit that to change between FM and AM. Same thing with AM, you can set whatever you want there. So when you want to play a CD, just hit play or pause here, and then you can fast forward using this. I got a CD in here that doesn't work the best here, but you fast forward, rewind. This selects what track. But yeah, so those are just some little quick tips on how to basically set your favorite station. And then as far as wanting to view the time, if you ever want to see the time and not see the radio station, just hit the time button, and that'll pop up the time for you, which is kind of nice. And then to set the time, you can see here there are these little pins here, and you probably want to get like a pen, or a pen works best, or just any kind of smaller object that you can fit in this hole here. Just push it and just keep tapping it until the numbers change, and that's pretty much it. So that's just a little quick tip on the stereo system in the TJ. So I'm not exactly sure what years. I know the newer ones look a little bit different, but I'm sure they pretty much function pretty similar. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, and I will see you guys in the next video.